What's up everybody, Sander Weiss here, and today we are sanding out and evening out the walls. Here we have a 240p, how you say, smooth sandpaper, yes, and you just attach it here. You can get these things from, many kind of different shops. At least in Finland we have this place called Bauhaus, very nice place. We got this sandpaper, was like a couple euros, and this one extension system was 10 euros, very cheap. So now we have the material of the wall. Now we need to even it out, to sand it, yes? And this is how you do it. You do very long swipes, and then you feel out how is the smoothness. It should be quite smooth, and now let's see here. Okay, here is very nasty part. I can feel it's very rough. So we don't do this. Not small movements. Otherwise, the whole material we just put on the wall that is now dried up, it will go away. That's why you do this. Very long moves, yes? And just a couple, and then you feel how it comes. Much smoother, yes, very nice. And here is another one, and same process, like this. Yes, and is smooth also. So that's how you do it. Very simple, but again, very repetitive, very tedious. Once you are done, remember to vacuum the floors. So thanks for watching this video. If you like, thumbs up, and we'll see in future videos. Sander Weiss is out.